do you think Buddha Nepalese or Indian? Some Nepalese say Buddha born in Lumbini, so Paro, Nepal. So Buddha was Nepalese, not Indian. That's nonsense, I think. In ancient times, you see, the one of this whole kingdom there. So, big Bharat. So, like that. So, in any way, you see, Buddha. Oh, so you see, Buddha, one Indian, his teaching, eventually, whole Asia. You see, his teaching reached whole Asia. Firstly, China, Burma, Thailand, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Laos, through China, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, then to North Tibet, Mongolia, and some republics in Russia. So that is Buddha, not a Tibetan, not Chinese, but Indian. So ancient time, I think one great Indian master sort of teaching reached whole Asia. Now Buddha Dharma, I never say, you say Buddha Dharma is best. I never say, this religion is better, that religion is better. We cannot say. You see, different mental disposition, people who have different mental disposition, you see, the different religion, which sort of religion suitable to them is the best for them. All we cannot say this religion is best. We cannot say. However,
what if you could do
Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, he said that good people have to get out of the bed every day and try to empty the ocean with a ladle, right?